Welcome back to our channel. Crafting a compelling personal statement or essay is a crucial part of the college or graduate school application process. This is your chance to showcase who you are beyond your academic records. Today, we'll walk you through essential tips for writing a standout personal statement, provide examples, and give you some practical advice to make your essay shine. Let's dive in, but before that, please consider subscribing to the channel if it has helped you in any way. The discussion is divided into 4 segments. Segment 1, Understanding the purpose of a personal statement. Segment 2, Tips for crafting a compelling personal statement. Segment 3, Examples of effective personal statements. Segment 4, Tips for specific types of personal statements. Segment 1, Understanding the purpose of a personal statement. Purpose. A personal statement or essay gives you an opportunity to highlight your personality, experiences, and goals. It allows admissions committees to understand your motivations, aspirations, and suitability for the program. Components. Introduction. Hook the reader with a compelling opening. Body. Discuss your background, experiences, and achievements. Conclusion. Reflect on your future goals and how the program aligns with them. Segment 2. Tips for crafting a compelling personal statement. Start with a strong introduction. Begin with an engaging hook that grabs the reader's attention. This could be an anecdote, a quote, or a powerful statement. Example, standing at the edge of the Great Barrier Reef, I realized that the mysteries of the deep blue were more than just a fascination, they were a calling. Remember to be authentic and personal. Share personal stories and experiences that have shaped who you are. Avoid clichés and generic statements. Your personal experiences should be unique and reflective of your individual journey. Showcase your achievements and experiences. Highlight key achievements, academic experiences, and relevant extracurricular activities. Example, as the president of the Environmental Club, I led a campus-wide initiative that reduced waste by 30%, demonstrating my commitment to sustainability and leadership skills. Connect your past experiences to your future goals. Clearly articulate how your past experiences have prepared you for your future goals and why you are passionate about the field. Example, my undergraduate research in renewable energy has fueled my desire to innovate in sustainable technology, and I am eager to contribute to cutting-edge research at University of Florida. Explain why you're a good fit for the program. Demonstrate why you are interested in the specific program and how it aligns with your career goals. Mention specific faculty members, courses, or resources that attracted you to the program. Example, the opportunity to work with Professor Hudson on advanced robotics research is particularly appealing to me due to my interest in autonomous systems. Be concise and focused. Keep your essay well organized and concise. Stick to the word limit and ensure each paragraph serves a purpose. Avoid repeating information and stay focused on your main message. Proofread and edit. Revise your personal statement multiple times to ensure clarity and coherence. Look for grammatical errors, awkward phrasing, and inconsistencies. Consider asking a mentor or friend to review your essay for feedback. Segment 3, Examples of effective personal statements. Example 1, Personal anecdote. Introduction. When I was 10 years old, I helped my grandmother build a birdhouse. Little did I know that simple project would ignite my passion for engineering and design. Body. Over the years, my fascination with how things work grew. In high school, I joined the robotics club, where I led a team to win the regional competition. This experience taught me not only technical skills but also the importance of teamwork and innovation. Conclusion. As I pursue a degree in mechanical engineering, I am excited to delve deeper into robotics and automation. The University of Florida program's focus on hands-on learning and cutting-edge research aligns perfectly with my career goals. Example 2, Overcoming challenges. Introduction. Growing up in a small town, access to educational resources was limited. Despite these challenges, my determination to succeed drove me to excel academically and seek out opportunities beyond my community. Body. I took initiative by organizing study groups and seeking mentorship from local professionals. These experiences not only improved my academic performance but also instilled in me a strong sense of resilience and leadership. Conclusion. I am eager to bring my diverse experiences and strong work ethic to University of Florida, where I can contribute to and benefit from a dynamic academic environment. Segment 4, Tips for specific types of personal statements. Undergraduate applications. Focus on personal growth, academic achievements, and extracurricular activities. Highlight how your experiences have prepared you for college-level work. Graduate school applications. Emphasize your academic research, professional experience, and career aspirations. Showcase how your background aligns with the specific program and faculty. Scholarship applications. Address how receiving the scholarship will help you achieve your goals and contribute to your field. Include any relevant personal stories that demonstrate your commitment and impact. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips and examples help you craft a compelling personal statement or essay that stands out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more advice and tips. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with writing personal statements, leave a comment below. Good luck with your writing, and see you in the next video.